Thank you. Very good morning, everyone. What a joy, what a beautiful day, what a privilege to be amidst the future doctors, engineers, future leaders of our society, future scientists, future lawyers, future bankers. And that's what you are. That's what I want to leave a message to all the students present here. Respected Sir Lakisan Kashung, IES, Director, Tribals and Hills. The organizing committee, I congratulate the organizing committee for conducting such a very meaningful events for the students. I should say you students are very lucky. In our time, we don't get this kind of privilege. I was sharing this earlier with Yumi in the morning that how you kids are lucky. Because in our time, I wanted to participate in quiz so much, but never got a chance. So you should be grateful, you should be thankful that this committee is doing such a wonderful job, giving you a platform to share, to showcase your talent, to train yourself. Yeah. And I'm here to speak to each and every one of you, all the dear students. Just listen, just don't think that this is just a speech that goes in and goes out, but take it to heart, the one or two things that I'm going to tell you, and this will can be a very vital thing for in your future, in your life as a student. Today I have the privilege of kicking off the mini marathon, and yeah, I thought about it like how life is exactly or like a marathon. The theme was chasing dreams one step at a time. Did I get it right? Yeah, one step at a time. Life is like a marathon. It's a marathon you have to finish. It's like a journey. It's a journey that you have to reach the finish line. It's not the one who runs the fastest, but the one who doesn't give up. Perseverance, the determination. In life, there'll come a moment, a time when it'll be hard and you'll feel like giving up. But keep moving one step at a time. And I assure you, the reward is waiting for you at the finish line. And since this is a students' event, our tribal people have a misplaced phobia for mathematics. How many of you think maths is very difficult? Can I just see your hand? Anybody think like that? In each and every gathering that I go to, in a students' gathering, especially high schools, I always say that each and every student, please practice maths every day. Even if not 7 days a week, at least 4 days in a week. And you know why I emphasize this mathematics? Because it sharpens your mind. The more you practice, it develops your analytical mind, the power to reason, the power to think deep and see a problem from different angles. And if you're good in mathematics, the other subject will also be easy for you. So, always practice maths. Maths is nothing but the more you practice, the easier it becomes. In my high school days, my mathematics teacher used to tell me, don't think anything, just practice. Even if it's difficult, just keep on practicing, and it'll come a time when you don't have to think, but your hand will just write it for you. It is as easy as that. So please, from today onward, even if someone who thinks maths is a very difficult subject, just practice, and practice. Whatever you're studying right now, that is the most crucial, important part in a student life. Not when you become 12 or in the graduation, but whatever you're studying right now from class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And our sir will also vouch for me that once you finish your graduation and when you go back to, when you decide to go for competitive exam, you'll go back to, what do we go back to? We go back to studying class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 subjects. The subject, the mathematics, the science, the geography, the history that you are studying right now. That is what we study for competitive exam. Anybody wants to become an army officer, anybody wants to become a banker or IAS officer, just like our sir, we don't study anything else. We just study only the basic, your class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 books. So remember this, whatever you're studying right now, that is the thing that you're going to write a few years down the line. And that's what you're going to, whatever you're learning the history, the geography that you're studying right now, that will be the one that will be tested in the competitive exam. And one more thing I want to tell all the students is, don't worry about life. Don't worry whether you'll become a successful woman or man or woman. But concentrate on what you are supposed to do right now. Your duty as a student. Learn as much as possible, and life will take care of by itself. So don't worry about what the future holds for you. Just do what you have to do right now, and that is to study, to train for a better tomorrow for yourself. All right? With that, thank you so much for this surprise privilege to address the gathering. Thank you.